Hey there, beautiful, and welcome, welcome, welcome. First, let me say, I see you. I see how much you pour into everyone and those around you. I see the late nights. I see the early mornings, the constant juggling, the juggling act, right, of caregiving, parenting, and just trying to keep everything together, And I just want you to know I see you because I am you. Okay. So, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Sharitha, and I've been exactly where you are. Still am to an extent. Just exhausted, overwhelmed, and wondering just how to keep going without losing myself in the process. So, what I want to do, I want to start off real quick. I just want to ask, does any of this, the following, what I'm about to ask you, sound familiar? And I got my little handy dandy list because I do not want to forget anything. Um, you're constantly running on empty. Now, if any of these questions I say do not apply to you, you are not in the right place. Okay. We thank you for stopping by. If you know somebody who meets this criteria, please pass this this community on to them. But anyway, let's get to it. You're constantly running on empty. You're juggling responsibilities, but you just find yourself not having enough energy for yourself, right? And sleep, self-care, what's that? You're too busy taking care of everybody else. Another one is your brain never stops, right? So you have meals, you got schedules, doctor's appointments. You have to just provide emotional support for your loved ones and your children. I mean, it's all on you, right? So your finances even may feel like a struggle and you want more independence, but caregiving might be limiting your options right now. I know I personally was faced with that. Okay. So some of you might feel all alone, like no one truly gets how heavy all of this feels. We have loving family members, but unless they walk in your shoes and they are right there alongside you day to day, they have no idea what this is like. Okay. What ends up happening is, you end up putting yourself last, even when you know you desperately need a break. And then sometimes you look around and you wonder where your family is, and you're like, well, what? Nobody's around to help give you that break. So we got some solutions for all that. Okay. Your health might be suffering. You guys, I went through this myself. When you're under a lot of tremendous stress, you start eating a little crazy, okay, that fast food, and you don't want to cook. And then, inflammation sets in, hormonal imbalances, weight gain. And don't even get me started on the healthcare system, y'all, because in fact, I can't even remember the last time we had true healthcare. What we have right now is sick care. And that's got to change. And that's why I have this community, because we're going to change that. You never seem to have enough time and you're constantly overwhelmed just trying to keep up. Yeah, I think everybody know a little bit about that. Emotionally drained, and it's taking a toll on your whole emotional well-being. It's sad, but true. We all go through that. And some of us have this problem, not me personally, but some folks struggle to say no, and it leads to even more burnout. That's not a problem of mine. But anyway, we can work on these things while you're here. And just an overall sense that you've lost yourself, right? Wondering if there's more to life than just surviving. So here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this way, y'all. Don't have to be this way. That's why I created this community for women just like you, women who are ready to take back their energy, their time, their health, and their financial independence without guilt. You deserve this, sis. You deserve this. So here's how we're going to make this happen together. So let me refer to my list. I don't want to forget anything, you guys. We have some simple, sustainable ways to restore your energy, all while learning to navigate this new convoluted healthcare system that we find ourselves in. There's also going to be some opportunities for you to earn, okay, on your terms from home without sacrificing your family. All right. We have some automation tools to make life easier, free up some more time for you. I'm very shocked when I talk to, family and friends, and we got these phones, right? They cost over $1,000. Some of them more than that. I got the cheaper end one. And we don't use it. We don't use it enough to help support our daily lives. Okay. We got to get better at that too. And also, last but not least, a supportive community, you guys. That's why I wanted to create this. It's a safe place, a safe space where you are truly understood, listened to, you are heard and supported and empowered, right? Because you deserve to thrive and not just survive. And I'm here to help you with that. And we all going to work on this together. So join us today and let's start transforming your life together. All right. And I'll see you on the inside.